Motherfucking nice. Yeah, they did say black hard. First time.
First fucking time.
Yo, doing lifestyle. Don't forget, subscribe to Doing Lifestyle. Let's go. Check out my page. The box on 8. The paint still wet. Look like it just got sprayed. I got the bubble too. I said it on 6. I got a Suburban too. With them 30s on that.
What's good with it, guys, man? We're back with another video, man. It's your boy Dorman. Y'all tuning in to another video, man. Alright. So, hey, before we get in the video, man, please do not judge. Because we all been here. You know what I'm saying? We all been here when we all did this thing, man. So, we about to show y'all, man. We painted box Chevy outside. One of the first time, man, we doing this, you know what I'm saying? So, I just need y'all to watch. And this like an old video. This is the video actually, I ain't gonna say went viral, but it was more like, it started taking off, you know what I'm saying? And it started taking my channel and stuff off, man, because it was something exciting. And it was something exciting to go down there and record. And my homeboy, like I said, man, he's painting box Chevy for the first time outside. So Sprayway Custom, man, if you watching this video, I'm gonna tag you in. If you watching this video, man, help us out. Let us know what we did wrong, what we did right, and what we could have did. You know what I'm saying? Like, you can just comment below and let us know what step next time to take and what's the best quality of paint. Because who knows, we might end up, I see y'all see CJ on the third side. Man, I already got to support my guys, man. So we gonna end up one day painting a car without, you know what I'm saying, having to send it one day. It's just something we want to try. So like I said, in this video y'all about to watch, man, do not judge, man. Y'all just go with the flow, man. Y'all just watch and enjoy, man. And we gonna, you know what I'm saying, get a reaction out of it. And I'm gonna talk through the video, of course. And y'all let me know, man. But like I said, Sprayway, man, if you watching this, man, comment below and let us know what we need to do and what could we have did better. All right, man, we out there thing painting today, man. You know what I'm saying? On a beautiful day. It was about 5. Got my boy out there painting his own box Chevy, man. I be the same way. Got motivated. Took it to the paint guy. Then start on it after 5-6 months. So we want to pick the car up ourselves.
Damn.
What's that wind?
Oh, you got damn trash bag.
Oh, keep coming off. Put you some paint down. So here it is, guys. Yeah, boy. Y'all remember this thing? He primed it down. That's that brown one. Hell yeah. What y'all think he could have did better in? Was it the motion? Did he could have went a little slower? What do y'all think? Sprayway, what you think so far? It's just the first time. Hey, my boy painted his own car. A lot of people said overspray was getting on the Cutlass and the Regal. So it was bad that we was painting and have parked our cars right there in front, so we won't get the overspray. I didn't know that. Like I said, it was 2 years ago.
Alright, I get you goddamn garbage bag, please. I mean, this goddamn plate, that motherfucker can't paint over this shit. Shit drying good though.
Man, once you put some more coats on that bitch, hit that clear.
It's a wrap.
Shit.
It's a wrap.
Huh? Man,
That was
okay.
the first coat.
Huh? Yeah, that's just the first coat. And then she way better than she was.
Garbage bag.
Oh, for that sand.
From when I sprayed that primer and it's drying up.
Oh yeah.
I caught myself spraying to get most of it cleaned off of there. I knew it was gonna happen.
You ain't got no air. Can you do it with the air? Oh, you don't wanna?
Which I can't do it every night. Got paint in the gun.
Oh yeah.
I don't wanna clean it all the way back out.
Oh no, you
I'm just gonna keep laying it, man, and hope I can just.
We in the country, man.
Hope I can just goddamn, you know what I'm saying? Probably had a wet stand.
My boy, we in the country, man. My boy out here painting his own car. Paint the shit out of it. In the country.
I don't want to run. This is my fucking first time. Exactly.
First time.
First fucking time. And I mean, you can't.
No mask, no none.
Not my second. First.
See right here again too,
Bring your ass on with the gun, goddamn.
Right there. I'm looking at it.
I know, but hell, in my mind, I'm thinking, you know what I'm saying, that's where my motor's gonna be at. So, you know what I'm saying, but
you want paint behind?
Yeah, I understand that too.
Oh, that paint up in there, man.
You won't have enough in case you fuck it up.
Oh, it's over with. Everything I done in that car, I'm letting that bitch ride. If motherfucker don't like it, you know what they can do? I got a big fat Long motherfucker too. You can put all of it in your motherfucking mouth if you want to. You want to hit the whiskey? Hell no, I want a beer though.
Damn, I got one.
I'm not finna drunk paint my car. I'm already goddamn it.
Yeah, man, it's the 82, man. Y'all seen it in my video. That brown one.
Like you started when you first started. That spray me, goddamn. I don't want to be blue.
Yep, there you go.
Oh, need to hit that trunk some more too. Trunk a little light. Y'all can see the back and forth motion he doing.
Oh hell nah.
He told me, let me know. I'm gonna call you. Let me know where y'all at.
Y'all
Y'all can see how the car is now. But that bitch shining already like a clear on there. On the front, huh?
Hell nah,
Fixing that clear in the thing.
Yeah. I ain't got no damn,
A ruler.
nothing that's 30, motherfucker.
Shit, I gotta use your hand. Got them steady.
Just like this.
I'll be in my garage all day. Oh yeah.
Sure.
Mixing that old clear in there.
Even if them boys like to act hard.
Y'all comment below, man. Let us know
Oh,
you gonna start the top first. what he could have did. You know, just comment, man, and we can keep all that, man, and we can learn from it. My boy out here. I start to see it now when it dry.
Yeah. They call him A-Town. God damn it.
I think he should have went a little slow on the clear coat. But then again, like I said, it do look good still. Y'all can see the paint, man.
They hitting that motherfucker.
Looking good.
I done tipped it up now. I gotta let them do the
Now, as I get closer to it, you can definitely kind of see. Not bad for a first time.
Ain't got nothing in there.
Oh, yeah.
I start back right there. Yep.
Oh, yeah, boy. That second hit.
Let's get all the way up there. Now y'all can kind of see what I'm talking about. Everything taped off good.
Fire that shit up, Roy.
Fly
Fire
that shit up, Roy.
Fire that shit up, Roy.
She talking a little bit.
Yes, sir.
That's only one. That's
Not
only
yet.
one.
Comment
That's
below,
only one
man.
coat.
You let us know. All the painters. Comment below. Let us
only
know
one coat.
what y'all think we could have did better in.
That's on that back door, too. On the top. That's on the one, though, baby. That's on the one. I don't want to know if she get wet, though. If she wetting up.
Wanting through that second coat.
A lot of people thought it was the car I got now, but it's not the car I got, y'all.
Do it yourself, guys.
But she's wet, though.
Hey, that bit popping then, dog.
What y'all think? Y'all can see the orange peel a little bit.
Do it yourself, guys. Self-made.
Do it yourself, bro.
That's what you call dedication, man.
Take your time. Figure it out. And most of all, use YouTube.
Yep. That's it. She ain't done yet, y'all.
Yes, sir, man. Comment down below, man. Y'all let us
Don't
know,
forget
man,
to
what
like,
y'all think,
subscribe,
man.
man.
Thank y'all for watching.
Holla
Thank
at
y'all for
y'all.
tuning
I'm out.
in.